video. So last week I filmed a haul and here I am again filming another haul. Okay, so this is the rest of my Sephora VIB sale stuff that I purchased, as well as a few things from Ulta that I purchased recently or that I have had that I haven't spoke to you guys about yet, that I've had for like 2 weeks, 3 weeks-ish. So it's more like a collective haul with a lot of new stuff. And yeah, it's just a haul between Sephora and Ulta, and I have a problem, I know. But anyways, let's get into the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe because I have a lot of stuff to talk about and I need you guys to subscribe. So go ahead and subscribe and let's get into the video. So I have a big old Sephora bag right here with pretty much everything in it, but I also have my empty Ulta bag right here too because everything, for whatever reason, I just dumped into one bag, and that is what's going to be happening here. Alright, so I'm going to start with what I just got in the mail from Sephora. This is the last bit of my Sephora VIB sale. So I did pick up these vitamins from OUAI. These are the OUAI Thin Hair Supplement vitamins. I have used them in the past. I used them for about 8 months straight, like last year during quarantine, and my hair grew. Like it grew and it looked great. And then they're like $28 or $30, so they're kind of expensive, so I just got cheap and stopped purchasing them. But since I am on this like hair growth journey, as you can see, I mean, I was getting a bunch of like Snapchat memories from quarantine last year and my hair was like down to here and we're only up to here. So I was like, you know what, I need to purchase those vitamins again because they did wonders for my hair, so I picked those up. I also picked up this shampoo from OUAI. This is their detoxing shampoo. I was going through all the shampoos that they offer and that they have one for fine hair, but then they have this detoxing one, and I picked up the detoxing one because my hair gets really like greasy and oily pretty quickly, and I wanted something that was really going to get all the dirt and like oil out of my hair, so that's why I picked up this one. So I'm hoping that it works. I'm so mad because I waited like all morning for it to come, and finally at like 9:30 I was like, you know what, I need to shower, I have so much stuff to do today. And then like 10:30, 11 o'clock the package showed up, but it's fine. I will test it out in a few days from now and probably let you guys know at some point. So up next, I actually purchased this yesterday. I went into Ulta and then I saw this and I picked this up. This is from the brand Moon. That's like that toothbrush brand. And this is the alcohol-free whitening activated charcoal mouth rinse. I picked this up because I have been using their charcoal whitening toothpaste and I really have been loving it, so I wanted to incorporate the mouthwash in as well to kind of like help with like the whitening. I drink a lot of soda and I drink coffee every single day, and I have stains on my teeth and I am too cheap to go get them whitened. So these are my other options, and this is like super affordable. It's 13 ounces and it was like $8.99, so it's not as affordable as Listerine, which is like $5 and you get like a massive thing of it. But I mean, considering it's like loved and people love this brand and it's pretty hyped up, it wasn't that bad. It was only $8.99. So yeah, I've used it only twice already, last night and then this morning, so I don't have thoughts on like for it. I don't have thoughts for you guys just yet, but I'm sure I will soon enough, so you know. So up next is another purchase from Ulta. This is from the brand NYX. This is the Tetris Epic Eyeliner Kit. I saw this on the website and it has, well, I moved this one because I tried using it before. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 liners, a pink, a yellow, a light blue, a deep blue, and then a white. And I really love NYX liners, so when I saw this I was like, you know, I do want to add some color to my life, so I picked them up. It was kind of expensive. It was $33, but I didn't realize until before, but you actually get full-size liners. So the fact that you get 5 full-size liners for $33 actually isn't as expensive as I thought it was. But yeah, so I love their liners and I'm really excited to play with these colors, like really excited. Next, this is also from Ulta and I bought this and I was so excited to use it, and then I swatched it and I haven't used it because I don't know if I'm going to like it. This is from the brand J.CAT. This is the J.CAT Masterclass Face FX Color Palette. So I got mine in the shade medium on purpose because, hold on, let me open it and show you guys. I purchased it and this is what it looks like. It looks really, really professional, which is awesome. And I want it for like, hold on, let me open it so there's no glare. But this is what it looks like. You can see my swatch right here. I wanted it for contouring and color correcting. I figured this like shade right here would be perfect for color correcting. And then these shades down here would be great for contouring. But what I did find is that they're like really stiff. Like they're not like creamy. Like I just swatched it and my hand was like skipping, and this formula just does not seem like it would be good, especially on top of foundation. Like, I don't know how I feel about it, and I'm honestly like, yeah, I can't even get this to like blend out. I'm really scared to like use this over my foundation and like ruin my makeup, so yeah, I might just return it. I mean, it was only like $6 or $7, like it wasn't that expensive, but I'm really like disappointed with it, so yeah, I'm too scared to try it. Next, this is actually from Sephora. I purchased this last week when I was in store. This was really impulsive of me, but this is from Milk Makeup, and this is the Hydro Grip and Set Refresh Spray. I have heard a lot of people talk about this, and a lot of people like it, so I picked up the travel size like I always do. I always pick up like the mini size or the travel size before I commit to like the full size. So this is what it looks like. I've only used it once, and I really wasn't even wearing that much makeup, so I don't have like too much like to say about it just yet. It does have a really nice mist, and I like that you can shake it and make it all one color. So I think that's pretty cool. I didn't like the Hydro Grip primer, but this seems to be okay so far. So I'm sure we'll see it in videos in the future. But yeah. Okay, so up next is another item from Ulta. This is from CERAVE. This is the Hydrating Mineral Sunscreen Skin Tint. I did a mini review on this on my TikTok. So if you don't follow me on TikTok, make sure you do, at Danielle Blends. But I spoke about this like 3 weeks ago almost, but I've been waiting to do like a haul for you guys. So this is the mineral like sunscreen skin tint, and this is what the packaging looks like, and I love this stuff. This barely gives like any coverage, like if any coverage at all, but it's really good at like neutralizing like your skin. So if you have any redness, any pimples, it won't cover it, but it'll kind of like neutralize it, and it'll get rid of any like discoloration that you have going on, and I really appreciate that. So I have been using this on and off for like the past 3 weeks, like pretty much only when I go to work, but I really love it, and I love that it gives you such a nice tint with SPF as well. So this will definitely come in handy for like the summer at the beach and going to the pool and stuff like that. So I'm really excited to keep using this. So up next, this is from Sephora. This is brand new from Rare Beauty. This is the True to Myself eyeshadow palette. It's the palette that I'm wearing on my eyes right now. I just finished a video filming this look, so you guys will see this shortly. But this is what the packaging looks like. Oh my god, it has like stains all over it from me doing my makeup. But this is what the packaging looks like. Super beautiful. And then this is what the colors inside look like. I really appreciate this color story. It's very simple, very neutral. There's nothing like crazy happening here, but I just think the color story is really, really beautiful. And I have this shade, the shade right here, this shade, and then this shade all on my eyes right now. You can't really see because of the lashes, but they blended really, really nicely. Anyways, you guys will see this in a video coming up. But yes, I picked this up. I saw it on like TikTok and Instagram, and I was like, this is really beautiful. So I'm really curious to see if it's good, and so far, so good. So up next, I did just restock on my beauty blender, the liquid soap. This is just my favorite liquid soap there is. I needed to restock on it. This is from Ulta, and this is funny because when I was in Ulta yesterday and I was checking out, I was just standing there waiting, and on the side of the checkout they have like their Ulta Beauty section, and this reminded me so much of like the 90s, so I had to pick it up. This is the Ulta Beauty Tropical Fruit Moisturizing Body Wash. I have never heard anybody talk about this, but I was just standing there and there was, oh my god, it smells so good. There was like body washes and body lotions, and I can't help myself. I just start smelling everything, and I really liked how this one smelled, and this was like pretty much the only scent that they had there. I don't know if they're discontinuing this or what the case was, or they were just like sold out of everything, but I picked it up. It was on sale for $4, so why not? And I used it like this morning, and I mean, it's just like an average body wash. It smells really nice. I like that it's like really fruity and stuff, so I mean, for $4, like, who really even cares? But yeah, I want to talk about that quick because this just reminded me so much of like the 90s. I don't know if you guys remember, I don't know what it's called. I think it was like cucumber melon or something, and it was like green like this, and it's all over like TikTok and like 90s like nostalgia pages on Instagram. So if you know what I'm talking about, let me know what I'm talking about because I don't remember the full name. But if you're born in the 90s, you know. So up next, this product has quickly become like my favorite product. Like I cannot do my makeup without it. This is from JUVIAS Place. This is the Eye Prep, Eye Prime eye primer. It is the eye primer that I used today to prime. I've spoken about it on TikTok and I love it. I cannot do my eyeshadow without this primer. This is what the packaging looks like. Michaela on TikTok actually spoke about it, and once she said she loved it, I went and I picked it up because I was like, let me see what the hype is all about. I never used to believe in eyeshadow primers, and now I'm like, I understand. I understand now. Okay, so up next is another product from Ulta. This is from Maybelline, and I keep forgetting that I have this, and I keep wanting to use it every single time I do my makeup, and then I always freaking forget about it. This is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer Eraser thing. I got mine in the shade Warm Olive for obvious reason because I wanted to use it to contour, and I saw somebody on TikTok talking about it, and I was like, let me try this out. I've only swatched it on my hands, that's why the applicator is dirty, but I haven't actually tried it on my face, so I need to remember that I have it so that I can try it, and I haven't, whatever, I keep forgetting that I have it, but yeah, so I'm really excited to test it out and to see if it's a good contour and if it's kind of like a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury one because it looks like the same shade as that one, so I'm really excited to see what it's all about. So up next are these two concealers from The Ordinary. This is the new full coverage concealers. I saw them on the like new arrival section at Ulta and I had to pick them up, and honestly they are probably the most disappointing items from this entire freaking haul. I'm so sad. They just were not like that good. I've tried them like 2 or 3 times at this point and they are just not that good. They're really cakey, they're really drying, and they like separate. So they not only crease but they separate underneath my eyes, and I was like, oh hell no. These are really sad. Like I'm really disappointed in them. I have seen mixed reviews on them. Like some people say they're great, some people say that they can't stand them, and I stand with those people that don't like it because it was just like, and it just fell on the floor. But it was not it. They were not good. I'm really sad about that. So yeah. So the last item in this haul I actually purchased yesterday and used for the first time today. I saw Michaela on TikTok talking about it. That girl influences me in so many different ways. Whatever she talks about, I'm like, okay, online. Purchasing. This is from Drybar. This is the big swig thickening spray. I only picked it up because I can tell that her hair and my hair are pretty much identical. She has really thin, fine hair, which she always says, and I have really thin and fine hair. So when she said that she loved this, I was like, okay, say no more. Let me go check this out. And this is what my hair looks like with it in, all blown out, and I think my hair looks great. I think it looks nice and full, and I wouldn't necessarily say like super thick, but it definitely looks nice and full, and fuller than like it usually would. So I'm not mad about this purchase. I appreciate Michaela influencing me to buy this, but yeah, so I'm enjoying it so far. I don't know how it's gonna last throughout like the next few days, like without me washing my hair. I want to see if it's gonna weigh my hair down, make my hair oily and whatnot, so we'll see, and I will update you guys and let you guys know. Guys, so that is it for this video. That completes my second haul in the past 7 days for you guys. But yeah, that is everything that I've pretty much picked up over like the last week to like 2-3 weeks. It's kind of like a collective haul, like I said in the beginning. I've had a few items in here that I've been meaning to talk to you guys about, and then obviously some brand new purchases. So I just figured let's throw it all into one video and let's talk about it. So yeah, that is all I have for you guys in this video. Let me know down below if you have tried any of these products. If you like any of these products, leave me all your thoughts down below. Are you as crazy as me? Are you constantly buying stuff on Ulta and Sephora? Because I think I have a serious problem. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye!